What's up, guys? My name is Will. We're out here at the river. We're going to do some crappie fishing today, and hopefully we can catch some. And river looks pretty high now. Water level it's flowing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. We'll see how it goes. We're going to throw some plastics and we'll see what we can catch. Hope you guys like this video. There we go. There we go. It's a nicer one. Oh, it came off. No. No, Mr. Crappie. That's all right. Let's see if we can catch another one. Oh man, my luck today. Oh, I missed it. No. See if we can catch us another one. Oh, there's one. Ooh, what we got? What do we got? What do we have? Another crabster. Little guy, thank you. Caught another one. Ooh, that's a nice one. And have my camera on. But yeah, that's another nice one. Oh, there it is. Nice. There goes another nice one. Oh. Another little nice one. Let's see if we can catch something a little bigger. Right here. There's another crappie. Oh, it's a Larry the bass. Got us a bass. Multi-species. Nice. Oh, sorry. And he gone. There's another one. Another nice one. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on, Mr. Crappie. There's a little chunky one. Nice little crappie. See if we can catch another one. There it is. Wow, it's a pike. Oh, I better not lose it. Wow, this pike is big, boys. This pike is big. Oh, come on, buddy. Hang in there. Hang in there. And it's the one that took my lure, probably. Oh, man. Wow. Hey, Mr. Pike. Where's my other lure, huh? What'd you do? What'd you do with my other lure? Huh? Where's my other lure? You got it in there? Nope. You're a different one. Well, that's a nice little pike, huh? We're gonna let him go. There we go. Thank you. Wow. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Caught a lot of crappie today. A bunch of small ones, but overall, it was a good day. Had lots of fun, and hope you like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.